Welcome back, everyone. That was a good dip.
I know, seeing if my back hurts. I think I'm okay.
But I mean,
No,
it's good TV position.
Good.
All right, from time to time, we all need a professional. And at Good Things Utah, we trust the pros.
Yeah, this won't hurt your back at all. One of those pros for Utah is with us right now. Trevor Jones from Duct Brothers is joining us for this sponsored interview. It's good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
And I say that because Trevor's been to my house and Trevor's been to Saray's house. Tell our viewers what you do.
Yeah, so we help fix uneven room temperatures. That's really our main focus. And then as side benefits to that, we help lower electricity bills, utility bills, all sorts of stuff, just kind of help fix efficiency across the board. And the way we do it is we fix air duct leakage. You can kind of see here on the screen, we blow an aerosolized glue through the inside of the system, and it goes through and just plugs up all the holes internally. So a lot of homes in Utah, and we'll talk specifically about your guys' homes, but they're losing between 30 and 50% of the air that's produced.
51% to be exact. And Trevor, did you have a sampling of what you spray in there?
Yes.
And you actually can see it, how well it works in homes. And I was losing 51% of my energy, and I definitely can feel now that I don't have to raise the temperature as high as I used to when it was cold. And now it's definitely, you know, during the colder months, I have to figure that out still. But my energy bill is definitely a lot lower.
That's awesome.
Trevor, what is this? What are you spraying in there?
So it's basically a mix of like Elmer's glue and chewing gum, to put it in like simple terms, but it dries kind of like this. It's a rubber, it's airtight, and so as it goes through, it creates all these little blockages, and yeah, it's totally safe, non-toxic, like safe to breathe, safe to,
so if you have pets, if you have kids, if you're worried about what you're breathing, this is safe for you. And you're going to get a bigger bang for your buck when your AC turns on and when your heating unit turns on. What I think is so interesting is Saray has a newer home, and mine is 20 years old, and age really doesn't matter when it comes to this.
Yeah, and that's a lot of people think like, oh, my house is brand new, I'm not going to have these problems. It's something else. It's maybe the windows, it's the insulation. But in all reality, it doesn't make a big difference. It was a couple percentage points off for
construction. You never know. Maybe it could be shoddy. It could be not as good quality. And I definitely thought it was a window problem. We have these huge windows. I'm like, that's what it is. And boy, did you go in, and it's so much more involved than I ever thought it would be. Every vent you're checking and come up with a report that's very thorough.
Yeah, it's a very mathematic and calculated process. It kind of, we try to remove as much of the human error as possible and let the air pressure and let the machines kind of work their magic, and it really does bring great results.
I let Trevor handle all of that, and all I know is for the first time in 20 years, I can feel the heat in my house. Like
that's
I feel
great.
it. Like I've always turned it up and turned it up and turned it up. Now I actually can feel it. You came out and did a consultation first. I know you'll do that for our viewers too.
Yeah, so we offer free in-home inspections, and that's like really, really important, because even though this is very common, not every home has the problem. So we always do a free complimentary inspection where we can find leakage and diagnose that this is going to solve those problems. So yeah, if you guys want to take a look at this for your home, then you can scan the QR code and reach out to us, and we'll be able to set up that free in-home inspection for you guys.
Listen to this though, make sure you do jot that information, because this is a $250+ value potentially for you, savings right there, and it's even more, it multiplies, because again, my bill has totally probably cut in half. And that is a stark difference.
That's a big difference. Will you also mention really quickly the incentives that are out there as well?
So the federal government, due to the effectiveness of this process, has started giving kind of these rebates, and utility companies are giving rebates. So we can help you guys file those to where you get more than a third, basically a third of it paid for. And so we're able to help with that, and then we offer 12-month same as cash payment plans. So if the out-of-pocket's a little bit more than what you were expecting, we can help you kind of balance that out over the year.
Trevor, thank you so much for putting money back into our pockets, and we need it more than ever. And thank you for sponsoring our interview, and Duct Brothers for being a pro for Utah.
For sure.
Thanks for being here.
Up next.